Python, yield, all paths from leaves to root in a tree. I want to generate all paths from every leaf to root in a tree. I like to do that with generators, to save memory. Tree can be big. Here's my code. But it doesn't work. Why? Invoked at root, it traverses the tree from top to bottom, collecting nodes in it. Up should be returned in every leaf. Is_leaf is true if self.children is empty.
This code only yields leaves that are immediate, children of the root. The other ones get visited, they yield to the upper function, but the upper function does nothing with them. What you need is to yield them from the lower function to the upper one. This should do the trick. At the moment the for loop doesn't yield anything. It should instead yield all the elements that are generated by the recursive call.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.